Forget the bun, y'all. This is pure meat. These chicken fried burger patties are crispy, juicy, and full of flavor. If you're looking to amp up your burger patty game, this is how. For the breading, we're using egg, pork panko, and Parmesan powder. You can skip the parm, but the flavor is amazing. Pork panko, Parmesan powder, and eggs, that's all it takes. This carnivore breading is the ultimate cheat code. Today, we're chicken frying burger patties in bacon fat, as promised in our last week's video. No flour, no carbs, just pure animal-based crunch. We're going to start with 80-20 ground beef. Make sure your meat's not too wet or the breading won't stick right. I just use paper towels to soak up the excess as much as possible. The recipe will be in the description. You can also just let it air chill in the fridge. I got 5 patties out of about 1.25 pounds of ground beef. But 2 of the patties I just cooked plain for the waffle burgers. We are cooking our burgers in bacon fat, of course. So I'm adding a little Redmond's real salt and press them into the powdered parm. Then we're going to dip them in the egg wash, and then we're going to press them firmly into the pork rinds, the pork panko. I made a mistake and used a bowl for the egg wash when I should have used a pie plate. Don't forget to press the patties firmly in the panko because we want full coverage. I forgot to mention that you can use any fat that you choose. You don't have to use bacon fat. You could use tallow and that would be perfect. So tell me in the description, are you team tallow or are you team bacon grease? I use the bacon grease because we're using pork panko anyway, and it just adds an extra depth of flavor, and it is so good. So you want to heat your skillet, whether you're using cast iron or not. You want to heat your skillet, you want it really hot. You don't want the fat to smoke when you put it in, but you want it to shimmer. I suggest just breading a couple at a time and getting them in the skillet. It's much easier that way. Put your burgers in the skillet, and we're going to cook them 45 minutes on each side. And I did use a meat thermometer to check and make sure that they were done before I pulled them. Just listen to that sizzle, y'all, and that beautiful golden crust. You can't beat it. Flip it gently because we want to keep that crust intact. And there we have it. Golden brown, animal-based perfection. The parm and the panko created the perfect, delicious shell around your burger. Juicy on the outside, perfectly crispy on the outside. Look at that beauty. Now we're going to get started on the chaffle burgers. They're really not chaffle because there's no cheese in there. More like a Paffle because it's pork rind and egg. And again, we're going to use bacon grease, so I'm just melting some in the microwave. Then we're just going to add some powdered parm to our pork rinds, our pork panko. So we're using 1/4 cup of panko, a few shakes of Parmesan powder, 1 large egg, and bacon grease. I like to let mine sit for a few minutes before I put it in the waffle maker so that it incorporates well and it thickens up. And you're going to cook it for 5 minutes, and just like that, you have a beautiful Paffle. These waffle burgers are a fun, delicious change of pace. Hit subscribe and all notifications for more carnivore recipes. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what's going on your chaffle burger. Don't forget to pray over your food. God bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine down upon you. Until next time, goodbye, friends.